Alright, this is going to be the lobby elevator here at the Cabana Bay Beach Resort here in Orlando. This one's the hydro that goes up from the lobby to the mezzanine level. This is a Otis HydroFit Non-MRL. This one is a basic stainless steel cab going down. Let's go to 1. All right, let's go up to 2. Let's listen to this motor. Let's go back down to 1. Newer Series 2 fixtures. And you know what? Let's give this one more ride. And I'm gonna get off on 1. Another thing to note is, unlike most of the elevators here, which have the VR Otis buttons, this one has the regular ones. Watch the button go out. And here we are. There it goes. That will be it.